I got another live fire meal today, right? You can make this one in the oven, on your grill. I'm making it over live fire. You might call it one pot chicken. It works with breast, it works with legs, it works with thighs. Super easy. Let's get this cook going. These are bone-in chicken breast. I got both of them for like $5. They were on sale. Gonna hit them up with a little spray oil. You can season these with salt and pepper. I'm gonna season them with this Nashville hot chicken seasoning from J.M. Thomason. You could also put salt and pepper and a little paprika, salt, pepper, and a little cayenne. Been right around 4 minutes. That's what you want. Just looking for a little crust on this back side. Now we're just going to put some of that same oil binder on there. Season up this side. Let it go another 4 to 5 minutes. Now listen, if you don't have a grill, you could just sear this off in the same one pot we're going to do this in, cast iron skillet. It's been about another 4 minutes. You can see we're getting nice and brown there. Now, I'm going to put a pot on there. Put my chicken breast in her pot. Hey, I would like to thank the folks at MMM USA Grill for sending me out this grill. I've got 1 cup of water, 1 cup of tequila. You can use 2 cups of water if you don't want the tequila. Got 1 can red kidney beans. Here we've got 2 chopped up tomatoes, 1 tablespoon minced garlic, about a half of a jalapeno, tablespoon of cilantro, that's optional, 1 yellow onion, all chopped up, minced up, whatever you want to call it, it's chopped up. Here I've got 1 cup of rice, not cooked yet. Just going to get this all spread around. We're going to put in about, I'm guessing that's about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. 2 to 3 is what you want. That'll be just fine. Let's get our lid on here and let it cook. Total cook time here has been 40 minutes. Let's have a look. I think our rice is about done. Wouldn't you? Wouldn't you say that's about done? Tell you what we're going to do. We're going to get this off here. Got our 1 pot chicken here. Nice crust on the outside. That's how easy it was, right? Roughly 5-6 minutes to get it nice and brown. Then we put it in that pot. Yes, sir. Juicy, tender. Now, let's try that rice with the beans and the garlic, jalapenos. Yes, sir-ree. That's what I'm talking about. 1 pot camping meal. You can make it home on the stove. Put on the fire. Took the dog for a walk. So simple. Nashville hot, right? It's not that hot. Put a little bit on both sides. You can see that chicken's like 1.5 to 2 inches thick. And like I said before, you don't have to use the Nashville hot. But Stroh kind of likes it. Enjoy your week.